Hey friends, this is the Yeti Rambler Magslider lid. We're going to show you in today's video why this is an awesome upgrade for our Yeti products and a few of the features that you can find on these mag sliders. Let's jump into it. So today's focus will be on this 14-ounce mug. You can see we've got this Yeti mug over here. We've had this for a couple years. It's amazing. But this is the old lid that came with these older mugs. You can see it just has the open slot, which means that in the event you have this in a car or something, a lot of movement, there's a lot of opportunity for spillage. So we wanted to take care of that by getting these Rambler Magslider upgrade lids. So you can purchase these actually on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. And basically what they do is they replace your older lids. Now again, we have this larger version for the 14-ounce mug. It's a 26-ounce cup or the 30-ounce tumbler. So it fits multiple sizes. Now they do make these in a smaller version for like the 10-ounce mugs that you can have or the smaller ramblers or cups that they also make. Okay, now out of the packaging, we can take a closer look. You can see it has this nice rubber seal around the edge to really enclose your drink. And again, keep spillage from happening. On top, we have the little mag slider. You can see this just moves back and forth to reveal that opening for you to drink. Now again, this isn't 100% spill proof on top, but it is a whole lot better than just having the open spout right there on the older style lids. Now again, this actually is designed for easy cleanup. So you can actually take this mag slider off. You just push underneath the bottom here and you can grab and lift off the top magnet that just comes off. And then you have opportunity to really get a good clean in here. When you're done cleaning, you can just slap that right back on. As you can see, it just slides into place. So it's a cool little system. We like it. A great little upgrade again for your older lids. All right, we'll just go ahead and put this straight into place. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. And now we have that nice mag slider option. Hope this has helped, friends. Again, we really recommend this product. We'll put links in the description box below where you can pick up this lid if you want to upgrade your older Yeti products with this newer technology. Hit that thumbs up button if this has helped. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. We got a ton of product tutorials for outdoor adventure that we're going to be reviewing coming up here soon. Subscribe and we will see you again on the next one.